You are listening show Think Like a Millionaire. We will reveal why rich people focus on opportunities and poor people focus on obstacles, or why your income grows while your aspirations grow. We will discover some best tips that will help you think like a millionaire and double your money. Stay tuned and be ready to join this amazing journey with us on UIC Radio. Good morning. Today is Thursday morning in South Florida, and this is the show Think Like a Millionaire that is finally uncovering why you have to change your financial mind to become rich. If you want to be a millionaire and you need to think like a millionaire, the millionaire mindness is what lets you make changes in your life and reach the goals you have always wanted. But that means you have to refocus your mind and change how you think about yourself, your finances, and the world around you. If you keep thinking about things the same way, you're going to get the same results. Trust me. Change in the world around you doesn't happen until you change yourself. So now I'm going to give you the best rules of millionaire's mind. Let's start. The first one is the universe gives you what you can handle. Money miracles will occur once you demonstrate to the universe that you can handle your finances properly. The universe has rules. As much as you would like to ask to become a millionaire and have all the money of your dreams, it's not going to happen until you first take care of what you're in charge of now. Until your show can handle that you have already got, you will not be given anymore. By taking care of your financial situation that you are in now, you will learn the skills that you need to manage millions. But you can skip a step. First, you have to show mastery over your finances now. And once you have established that, the universe will give you more. And that was the first rule. Let's go to the next one. So the second rule is no pain, no gain. If you are willing to do only what's easy, life will be hard for you. But if you're willing to do what's hard, life will be easy for you. When you first change your mind as to think like a millionaire, it's going to hurt. Believe me, you're changing how you think about your world, and you're going to have to break down some of the ignorant opinions you learned while growing up. Making those changes is difficult, but if you're not willing to do the hard things, you can't expect the same result as people who are. Having a millionaire mind requires change. Change is going to feel painful at first, but it's worth it, trust me. And now let's talk about third rule. So the third rule is about what you focus on expense. Your field of focus determines what you find in life. Your mind is a powerful tool and can make a major difference in your life when you learn how to use it correctly. What do you think about most in your life is what will expand and become important for you? Learning how to control your thoughts helps you learn how to control your world. After you have determined what is most important in your life, you need to focus on it. The more attention and focus you give it, the more it will grow and expand. If you spend all the day focusing on your past failures, those failures will expand and become an even heavier weight that you will have to bear. On the other hand, if you choose to focus on your wins and your future successes, your life will fill with more of them. And finally, the last rule, the fourth rule that I'm going to show you. When you change your mindness, you will change your life. It's not enough to be in the right place at the right time. You have to be the person in the right place at the right time. Your mindness determines your reality. If you see the world as horrible, painful place that influences the reality you experience, on other hand, if you put on your awesome glasses, you will quickly realize that everything is awesome. Your job, awesome. Your community, awesome. Even that previously painful commute through rush hour traffic can be an awesome time to soak up learning. It all depends on how you look at it. One of the easiest ways to change your world is by changing how you think about that. Choosing to think about your world as given and supported gives you the power to succeed. And in conclusion, I want to mention that the reason people aren't who they want to be isn't that they don't know how. It's because they unwilling to make the hard choices. Those hard choices can be everything from waking up early, working an extra shift, or moving to a different city for the better job opportunities. No matter what those hard choices might be Millionaire Minus focus on enabling and empowering you to do what you know is right without making excuses. Next week, we will continue our journey around thoughts of millionaires. Until there, don't forget, with our show, you will learn to think like a millionaire. Thanks for listening. It was the show Think Like a Millionaire by Lily Muradian on UIC Radio.